Carol Gonzalez, and welcome to all of you new viewers. I am here to guide you and help you become the best online ESL tutor that you can be. On our previous videos, we had discussed the pros of teaching online, the do's, don'ts, and what to expect on your first online session. And preferably, we have decided to start with a company that provides us the lesson materials and one-on-one sessions, such as Cambly Kids. Now, if you are new to the online teaching world, today we're going to talk about a very important method, TPR, and some common examples. TPR stands for Total Physical Response, and it is a method of teaching language or vocabulary concepts by using physical movement to react to verbal input. It mimics the way infants learn their first language, reduces student inhibitions, and lowers stress. Dr. James Asher, the creator of TPR, states that it's so important to use because it engages both hemispheres of the brain. And instead of making our student memorize, they connect the new vocabulary word or concept with movement and sound, which is a natural connection that they will make. And believe me, watching a little kiddo's face light up with understanding is beautiful to watch. Now, we have visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. Visual are those who learn by seeing, kinesthetic they learn by mimicking or by touching, and auditory they learn by listening. TPR accommodates all three as we speak, act out the word, and read. It makes lessons fun, engaging, and you can look as goofy as you'd like. Don't be afraid of exaggerating your gestures. It also removes the desire to use incidental language. Incidental language are any extra words that the student may not comprehend, and we're probably saturating a simple instruction. Now, here are some of the most common TPR signals we can use, but you'll start making your own kind of TPR with your students. But these are some of the ways that I communicate with my students. For example, what is your name? Name. What? Who? Where? How? Listen. Repeat. Repeat. Circle. Circle. Match. Match. Please read. Sit down. Sit down. Good job. If our kids are being a bit loud or rowdy, we don't have to say be quiet openly, as this can be perceived as rude or impatient. But if they're being a little restless, we can use the quiet coyote sign and softly say, shh, quiet coyote. We can also play a quick game of hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. Something wonderful that also helps is counting out the words in a sentence with your fingers while touching your chin. For example, I am 9 years old. Some common TPR games to use are Simon Says, charades, or show and tell. In most sessions, your student will only be able to see the top half of your body. So Simon Says can be helpful when we focus on our head, our shoulders, our face, our cheeks, and actions such as smile, frown, clap, wave, and many more. Charades is a personal favorite, with asking them to guess, what am I doing? And mimic fun things like eating, drinking, swimming, dancing, crying, laughing, sleeping, and running. For slightly more advanced learners, show and tell is a good way to engage your student to show you their favorite toy, their favorite shirt, or their favorite objects. First, model show and tell. What colors does it have? Why do you like it? Is it big or small? Can I eat it? Have fun with your students and browse the internet for more fun games to use in class. If you're working on an interface like Zoom, you'll have access to a wide variety of tools to help you underline, point, match, draw rectangles or circles around to support your TPR gestures. In the case of Cambly Kids interface, we have one multifunctional pencil with which you can do all of these things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped tutors new and experienced to remember the fundamentals of TPR and why it's so important to use it. What other gestures do you think you could use in class? How do you think you could incorporate TPR in your classroom? Let me know in the comments below. Toodles, and see you in our next video.